Today we're gonna do a marble cake. All you need is 500 grams of flour, 150 grams of white sugar, as well as 150 grams of brown sugar, 25 grams of cocoa, a little bit powdered sugar for the decoration later, 5 eggs, 1 pack of baking powder, as well as 1 pack of vanilla sugar, 250 grams of soft butter, and a little bit of milk. At first, put some butter and some flour into the cake tin. At first, stir the butter. Then add the white sugar and the brown sugar. Also add the vanilla sugar. Stir all well until combined. Slowly add the eggs one by one. Now add the flour together with the baking powder. It's important to sift the flour. Depending on how thick the dough is, you can add some milk to make it more smooth. At the end, the dough should have a consistency like this. Then take a part of the dough and put it into another bowl. Then add cocoa to it. It's also important to sift it. Then stir until combined. Now take the cake tin and the bright and dark colored dough. First start to put the bright colored dough into the cake tin. Then continue with the dark colored dough. Continue layer by layer. After you've put all of the dough into the cake tin, take a fork and turn and push it through the dough as shown in the video. This will make a nice pattern into the cake. Then put the dough into the oven at 180 degrees for about 1 hour. As soon as the cake is finished, take it out of the oven, let it cool down, and put some powdered sugar above. You can also use chocolate as topping.